Amazon KDP Publishing Tutorial. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you about Amazon KDP and how you can use it to publish your books online for absolutely free. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into it. So the first thing that you want to do is come over to kdp.amazon.com. Now once you're here, all you have to do is just simply sign up. And to sign up, all you have to do is click on the sign up button over here on the left side. Now before we sign up, let me tell you a little bit about Amazon KDP. So if you look over here, you can earn up to 70% of the royalties on sales for customers in the US, Canada, UK, Germany, India, France, Italy, Spain, Japan, and Mexico and Australia, and many more. And you can enroll in KDP, select and earn money through Kindle Unlimited and Kindle Owners Lending Library. So now you know how much potential there is in Amazon KDP. So let's just go ahead and sign up. So to sign up, click on the sign up button at the left side as I said before. And once you do that, you will arrive on this homepage where they'll ask you to sign in. But since you're creating an account, come down over here and click on create your KDP account. So click on create your KDP account, and over here enter in your name, email address, password, and then simply click on create your KDP account. And once you have entered in all of your details and you've verified your account, all you have to do is just simply agree to their terms and services. And over here, as you can see, this is the account over here. And over here, they're telling us that our account information is incomplete, but we'll get to that later. And over here at the top, we have bookshelf, we have reports, community, and marketing. And then down below, this is basically where all the magic happens. So over here, this is the Kindle ebook. When we click on it, we'll basically upload our Kindle ebook over here. As you can see, we have to select in the language, the book title and subtitle, then add a series if there are one. If not, you can leave it blank, and then write an edition number, then the author name, and then contributors, basically authors, and first name, last name, and you can add more contributors if you want to. And then you can add a description, basically a small summary of your book so that people can know what they're getting themselves into. And then publishing rights, and then down below add in up to 7 keywords and category, and then age, and then if you want to make it a pre-order or not. And after that, just simply save and continue. So this was for the Kindle ebook details. Then we have Kindle ebook content, and then we have pricing. Basically in the content, you will have to upload the Kindle ebook itself. And if we go back, we have paperback base, and we have hardcover as well. And then we have series. Basically, if you want to create a series, you can do that by here. So we have all these options over here. Now I'm sure you're wondering where you can find some ebooks that you can sell online. Well, you don't have to worry about that, because I have a pretty amazing website for you, and that website is called Project Gutenberg. Now, Project Gutenberg is a pretty amazing website where they have hundreds and hundreds of ebooks in their libraries, and we can download them for free. They don't run on subscription or anything like that. They run on donations, as you can see over here. If you want to donate to them, donate as well. They basically have many organizations and stuff like that. So if you feel like donating, you can go ahead and donate them as well, since we're going to be using their books anyways. So over here, as you can see, they have over 60,000 free ebooks in their library, and we can go ahead and download them as well. Now, I'm sure you're wondering which kind of book you want to download. So I would mainly suggest novels that are really popping right now, or you can download some journals as well, or some diet plans and stuff like that, like a vegan diet plan. So if you search for a vegan diet plan, let's just search for vegan anyway. So over here we have this book called The Vegans Were Curious, and over here, if you check it out, this is the book over here. This is the online book, this is the EPUB with images, this is the EPUB with no images, this is Kindle with image, this is Kindle with no image, and this is the plain text file over here. So let's just check around some more books as well. So if we go back to their homepage and scroll down over here, we have frequently downloaded, or we have the top 100. So let's just check out the most downloaded ones as well, and the most popular ones as well. So the top 100 downloaded books are these: The Frankenstein, The Pride and Prejudice, The Scarlet Letter, and these are the books that are sorted by popularity. So as you can see, they're pretty popular as well. So what if we search for some of these books on Amazon? So if we go on Amazon, so right now we're on Amazon, so let's just search for a book. Let's just search for The Yellow Paper. So if you search for Yellow Paper, the book, let me just add the book as well. I think this is just a yellow paper over here. As you can see, this is the book right here. The yellow wallpaper. Is this it? Yes, the yellow wallpaper. Okay, so this is one, is it right here, the yellow wallpaper. So as you can see, is selling for, the paperback is selling for $2.45. The Audible book is free and the Kindle one is free as well. So let's just search for another book that could be really popular, which is called The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Let me just copy this name over here. If we paste that over here and we search for it, so these are the books that come up. So over here, as you can see, it's going over for $6.25, $4.99, $7.50, and $5.99. So, and we have a lot of books as well, so they're all copycats as well. So we can, as you can see, we can download these books and we can upload them on Kindle as well. So now I'm sure you're wondering, how do we download it? So once you come over here, all you have to do is decide which type of book you want. So if you want to download the Kindle version, just simply hover your mouse over it and click on the Kindle one, and then just simply download it and save it. As you can see, it's done. Now we just have to go back to Amazon Kindle, and over here, Kindle ebook. This is the one that we want. So over here, let's just enter in. So let's just enter in the book, the title as well. And then we don't want to have a series. We don't want to have a edition number, but we do have the author's name, which is Robert Louis Stevenson. So we'll just go ahead and add that over here. I think Stevenson will go at the last one. This is optional as well. We'll leave that as well. And then what about the summary? So for the summary, let's just go over here and click on this book right here. We'll just copy the summary of this book over here. Let's just copy it and we'll just simply paste it over here. Now, once we've pasted it, this is a public domain. We can set it to public rights. And then over here, we can enter up to 7 keywords that describe your book. This is also optional. You can leave that as well. If you want. And then you have category, so you can set the category. And then we have minimum age and stuff like that. We can leave that optional as well. So once it's done that, we just have to click on save and continue. As you can see, it's saving and it's done. Now we'll move on to main part where we have to upload the ebook manuscript. So let me just upload the manuscript over here. This is the manuscript over here. Click on open. As you can see, it's uploading. Let's give it a few seconds for the file to upload. And once it's uploaded, we'll move on with the video. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video right now. Oh, okay. So as you can see, I didn't need to, pause the video. It uploaded. Now what we need to do is we need to upload a cover. Now what we can do for the cover is we can go with this cover right here, which this image provides. So to download this cover, just simply click on more files, and over here just simply go over to 43H in images, and this is the cover right here. Let's just go ahead and download this cover. So to upload the cover letter, you have two options. You can either use Cover Creator to make your own book cover, or you can upload a cover you already have. So we already have a cover, so we're going to go ahead and upload that. Simply click on Upload Cover File. Select the file that you want, click on open. Wait a couple of seconds for the file to be uploaded. So there was a problem with uploading the cover. Let's just go ahead and create our own cover as well. It shouldn't take that long. So if we click on Launch Cover Creator over here, click on Continue, skip this step. Over here, as you can see, these are some of the options that we have over here. We can go ahead and choose whichever one you want. I'm going to choose this one over here, this one. Yes, this looks pretty good. Save and submit once you have, made all the changes to your cover letter. And as you can see, everything looks good. Manuscript has been uploaded successfully. Cover letter uploaded successfully. Once that is done, you can just simply click on save and continue. And over here, as you can see, it's preparing our file and our KDP is in process. And once it's done, it'll save up. As you can see, it's done. And now once the book has been uploaded, all that is left to do is set some pricings. And once you've done that, you're basically done with the video. So that is how you basically use KDP and upload ebooks on KDP and earn quite a lot of money. So having said that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.